Alright, so today we're going to use the Touch LED, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use the LED of it. So let's get started. So like always, we'll do the motors and sensor setup. You can do the standard configuration, or if you just go in here, you can type it in. So we'll grab the standard. All we really need is the Touch LED sensor right here, which is called Touch LED, but we might as well just grab it, it's simpler. Alright, so the command we'll use to control the LED is set TouchLED RGB. In here we'll need to give it four things: the name of the sensor, the red value, the blue or green value, sorry, and then the blue. So the red, green, blue, hopefully you guys are familiar with that. Like a lot of those things, and probably the screen you're watching this on, there's a whole bunch of little tiny dots that have the red, green, and blue in it. And so then by varying each amount, we can get whatever color we want. So this way you'll be able to control the exact color. Alright, so the name of our sensor was Touch LED. And we'll just kind of pick a value for the red. So we'll go something like, each of these values will be 0 to 255. So we have to keep it within that range. So we'll have red be like 192. We'll have green be like 13. And blue be like 130. Oops, 130. Then we need to have a delay afterwards, because otherwise the program will just end since there's nothing after it, and we won't be able to see anything. So we'll put a half a second delay. Alright, so let's download this to your robot. You can try this on the virtual world or with your actual robot. Alright. Any robot will do, doesn't matter which one, and doesn't matter where you're at. I'll just be going here because it's kind of a flat open table. So right here's the LED. So if we hit play, there we saw kind of a purpley color, which makes sense because it's mostly red and blue, which of course makes purple. But let's try a different color. So if we go, so we did mostly red and blue on that one. But what if we go down to like 12 red and 183 green? So let's try something like this. So now if I hit play, we have that pink and then kind of a bluish green color. So now you guys know how to use the LED within the Touch LED sensor, so that you can give feedback to your various programs and know what it's doing rather easily.